everyone, welcome to my channel. My dream is my career, so I'm not sending you all video from the since last month maybe, so because I was busy with my own work and there was no time to send you all, so I'm so sorry for that. And today it was a so great day for me, and coincidentally I went my college Carmel TTI. Do you all know? I hope so. So I went over there and I meet to a sister because I have to help my neighbor, somebody else, my sisters. No, there is one neighbor sister who wants to do TTI. So I went with her to do admissions. No, so in admission, so I have so hurry off with the things, and I went today Pakyong and meeting sisters, and it was so great day also. And especially at the biggest day and the biggest thing is that I got today, and even I share you all in the WhatsApp also. I will unbox later on and you will all see in the YouTube channel. So it was so special day. There is a kind of a bond which can't be broken, as I already sent you one video about my viewed best sisters who helped me ever in my life. And so today also I am talking that sister only because it make me so special today, because she gift me something, and gift everyone likes no gift, and so I also likes to receive gifts. And so I very feel very blessed because and the main thing is that today I receive gifts from my beautiful sister, which I talked like beforehand. No, I talked one video about Sikadi, and today I meet her, but immediately we don't have time, and just for a while we meet and we just hug each other. That's it, and we'll a small package of love, and I share with her, and they were so hurry up, so I have to give something to her, but I don't have that much of time, so I didn't give anything to her. But she make me so spacious, and these are the gifts which she gave me, and it was so beautiful. I don't know it is beautiful or not. I will later on I will show you all. And so here is, and I will open this everything in front of you only because she is the one, she is and our bond is so different and unknown, and everyone don't know our bond. It was first we meet as an unknown person, and we made as a like a sister and like a senior. She is my seniors, and now she is my close friend also. She is my sister also, and she loved me like I was feel like I was in the like great diamond world like that. No, it's very precious things like that. So it was very special for me because she is my best one. And so I love you, Shikadi. Firstly, I would thank you so much for this, and I want to open you in front of you all. And so first thing is, here is one card, and I know she is very creative. That is the right thing. She is very creative, and everything whatever comes in her hand, no, she make everything creative. She knows how to make creative things and how to see beautifully arts and all. And she made these cards for me, and here is in the front there is written, to my loving sister Goma. So thank you so much for loving me. And the next I have, there is a lots of love, this sweetness, the sweetness message is also there. So here is the one beautiful card, and here is, so smile please. And there is beautiful card for me, and where I will miss you Goma. She will miss me. I know. I also miss you, Sikadi. And there is a lots of beautiful things regarding written for me. And I will just read one thing. A very bright future ahead. Love you, Goma. So this one. So this message, everything so sweet, and thank you so much, and always making me great, Sikadi. So okay, this is first one. She made one card, and it's beautifully she prepared, and I just love it. So second I have like there is one envelope, and that is made by herself only. So here is written, open with a big smile. She opened with a big smile, says written. So I smile bigly and big. I'm smile big, and I just opening this one. So I don't know what is here inside this, but I'm going to unbox. And so I hope this is Dreamcatcher maybe. Yes, finally I got Dreamcatcher. Wow, it's so nice. And thank you for this. I know this is also made by yourself only. So Trikadi, thank you so much for Dreamcatcher. I will be always dreaming like this catcher, and flying like this always in my future. And I will always miss you. I don't want to forget you in my life because you are my precious, precious sister, my dear sister Sikadi. You are the best part of my life, and I'm so great. I am receiving this kind of prestige gift, so I feel so happy today. I feel so great, and even I want to thank you God because I met you, and I met one beautiful family. Like family, you are my part of my life, so that you are my family. So I meet you as my family, and uh, you love me unconditionally, you guide me, everything you care me in each and every second, you always be with me. So that is very important. So thank you so much for this, and so thank you Sikadi for this. So next I have, that is so great, everyone can get shy. Wow, this is book, because actually she already know that I love book. I love to read books, and but I love to read books, those books only the gifted books. Like no, if somebody gift me the books, and I feel really awesome, because I feel that that book I have to finish. What is that story behind the book? No, that is very important for me. So special for me part is the those person who give me the book, is that one is very special person in my life, because I book is my favorite. I don't like other things beside the things, other things. I just love books to read is, and any type of book. Like I don't like biography and like that book, but I love like love story, like horror. Like there is some ghost stories over there, like some coincidence, and which makes the people strong, like motivation speech, and if there is no the stories behind it, motivation, that books I just love it. So thank you so much. I know this is book, so I'm going to open this one. So before opening my book, there is beautiful message she gave me, and it was so beautiful. And here is written, okay, this book is one of my favorite book, and I want to give you this book, and whenever you will feel not good, read this book, and it will give you peace and maybe the solution. Wow. And I surely read these books, and before throughout the day I will read these books, because the very my favorite person give me the favorite things, so I just love it, so thank you so much, beautiful kind beautiful message for me, and I just love you Sikadi. And okay, I will going to open this, and then okay. I will keep this your message in this books only. I kept it inside these books only, this message. And thank you so much for this beautiful message, Sikadi. Okay, and okay, there is a book. I'm going to open this book. I feel so great because book is my favorite one. I love if somebody gives me, even I love to give somebody books, no, as a gift. And if somebody gives me a book as my gift, so it was so lovely for me, it was so awesome for me, it was so blessed for me. And I feel so nice, because as you know that book is everything. A book, inside the book you can find everything in your life. Like you can change the, like your practical life also, where you are going to, if you are going wrong in your life, no, if you are reading some books and there is something which help you, so this is the beautiful part of the book. So no, so I just love it. So okay, I'm going to open this book. So nicely covered. maybe she is watching this. Maybe Sikadi, I know you are watching my video. Saying so, I love you, Sikadi, and thank you so much. I feel today so blessed ahead, and there is no words to express you also, because you love me unconditionally. As I already told you, know. So I know this is also favorite book. Wow. Okay. I know these books. I still remember these books because I love Swami Bua, no, Swami Sri Sathya Sai. I pray always. I maintain everything regarding his instruction, like that, everything. And I found really with myself, my God, no, Swami Sri Sathya Sai Bua. So thank you so much. It was religious books. I love it. Book. I told you, no, book. I love it. So, and this is also very special for me because it is from my the who I love most, no, in my life. Who I feel so thankful to him, no. So God, Swami Shri Satya Sai Bua, Samasta Lokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Here is written the famous prestigious message of Swami Bua is Samasta Lokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. He was such kind of a person. He was born in the, as you know, that Puttaparthi in Bangalore, no, and he was a very good person. He was kind of a good person. Maybe in the first situation, the people cannot understand here his, but later on when the peoples around him, they understood him, no, correctly, that time they feel so blessed, and some have done the greatest things in our life also, as we already know that, as we can check in the YouTube also. There is so many YouTube regarding the Puttaparthi about Swami Sri Satya Sai, and I just love it, this book. And it is, though it is religious, but I will read these books and I will always remember you, Sikadi, as you make me so great, and every time you make me great, but this is the more special things for me. So thank you so much, Shikadi. And भनिन्छ नि आफ्नो लाइफको कुनै डेस्टिनेसन हुँदैन, अनि डेस्टिनेसन हुँदैन, डेस्टिनेसनमा हिँड्दा हिँड्दै फेरि यस्तो जीवनको मूल्यवान साथीहरू अथवा दिदीहरू भेटाइन्छ भन्छ नि। मैले चाहिँ जीवनमा धेरैजना भेटाएँ, एज अ साथीहरूमा पनि मेरो पुरा यति राम्रो साथीहरू छ होइन, उनीहरूदेखि म कुनै वर्ड्सले एक्सप्रेस गर्नु सक्दिनँ। लाइक प्रेमिका, त्यहाँदेखि हस्टेलमा मेरो हस्टेलको कुरा गरौँ भने, मेरो पास्ट लाइफको कुरा गरौँ भने, म चाइल्डहुड्सदेखि, जब चाइल्डहुड थिएँ, चाइल्डहुड्समा मेरो फ्रेन्ड्स दिपिकाहरू थियो, दिपिका भन्ने थियो, सी इज भेरी नियर फ्रम माई हाउस एन्ड सी स्टे हियर only, and now we are not, we didn't used to talk, and when we meet that time only we used to talk, like last time we think like that, no, that is childhood days, we recall it. Then after, so again I proceed the another level. So there is, I found the friends like Darbaria, and at all there are so many friends which I love most. And again there is this third phase. I found like this beautiful family like Premika, Celestina, Pasangit, everyone is my friend, and they make me every time great, and they make me always special, and this is my best part. And here is, I got one sister, and भने म यस्तो यत्रै थिएँ होला, and she make me like this, and because she loved me unconditionally, there is no words to express her. So I love you, Shikadi, and thank you so much for this beautiful gift. And through this video, I want to be very much thankful to you. So bye bye.